Hello friends, this is Kaushik. Welcome to my channel. So today I have attended this sectional mock for RRB office assistant, the mock number 6, and my score is 40 out of 40 and the rank is 1 out of 2055 and the percentile is 100 percentile. So this is the first time in my life I got 100 percentile in any sectional mock or any full mock, full length mock. So I have attended 40 questions and 40 questions were right, and also you guys can see the time I have taken is 22 minutes, and the accuracy is obviously 100%. So this is my score, and this is it. So thank you guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.